Hello. We're doing a challenge. Shalom. I guess we're doing a challenge.
My dad was like, you know that can kill you.
You can?
He said, would you like to kill you and give you brain damage?
I don't think we gotta worry too much about you. Oh ho ho ho! Oh ho! But nah, man, we doing this little challenge or whatever. Try to drink a whole Sprite without burping. We just ate, so this might be harder. But yeah, we gonna try it. So hopefully our soul don't leave our bodies like homegirls. I haven't had a Sprite in so fucking long. I don't even like Sprite.
I love Sprite. It used to be my favorite soda.
I don't even like soda.
Look at all the bubbles.
This nigga said the bubbles, my bubbles.
Look at all the bubbles.
Okay.
I'm gonna try to let as many of the bubbles just come out as I can.
God, please don't let me get brain damage.
Oh, when are we starting?
Now.
Ready? You can take a break.
Why does it sting?
It does already have to.
My lips sting.
Why does it burn so bad?
This is where McDonald's get their Sprite from.
Oh, I'm struggling.
I think I'm okay. It's just the involuntary shit is what's gonna get me.
It's making my stomach hurt.
Mm-hmm.
It's too much sugar. I'm old now.
Become one with your body. Suppress the gas.
God, how have you drank so much already?
I'm the motherfucking god, nigga.
It hurts. I have to burp really bad. Swallow it down. Swallow it down.
The pain is a really great motivator. Mine don't hurt. It's just the burp is at the back of the shit.
Mine too. Oh God.
We almost there. I feel like you guys shouldn't be doing this.
I'm about to be out. Oh my God, you did it.
First nigga to do it. Can I burp? Can I burp?
I'm about to. I can't.
Can I burp? God damn. She said burped. Oh my God. I did it though. I did it. First nigga to do it.
I wasn't doing
Am I the
it.
first nigga to do it?
I don't know.
I'm different. He different.
Oh. Well, this is how much I drank. I didn't drink much. It was burning and my stomach was starting to hurt. And
you have to be one with your body. You didn't take your mind off of it. That's how I did it.
I was trying to, but it was right here. So
I think because you drank too fast.
I wasn't drinking that fast.
Because I was like, I took slow, long sips.
I was
That's
doing,
the
maybe
key.
that's because I was doing.
Nigga was trying to.
Oh,
she
you bird! Yay! Good bird.
She just mocked your
Now
ass.
come here. No.
Well, guys,
Well, so much for that.
I am the God.
I lost. Well, it
Uh,
wasn't a competition, but
subscribe to my YouTube. Finesse Kicks. If you want to see more greatness. Yeah, man. Get up on out of here.
bye.